Introducing PORTERCABLE's new 20-volt max lithium-ion circular saw, the PCC 660B. This tool is part of the new growing line of linked system high-performance tools. This tool has a 6.5-inch carbide tooth blade, delivers cutting capacity for all 2-by and sheathing materials. The high-performance motor delivers 4,000 revolutions per minute for smooth, fast cuts. An air channel blows air across a line of cut-cleaning debris for accurate cutting. This tool also features a shoe that pivots up to 50 degrees for specialty beveled cuts. Compact size that makes it easy to maneuver across cutting applications and comfortable over-mold grips to reduce vibration and user fatigue. 20-volt max 1.5 amp-hour or 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the compact and the max pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. The 20-volt max circular saw combines compact size, performance, visibility, easy adjustments, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of PORTERCABLE 20-volt max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.
It's powered by two 18V LXT lithium-ion batteries for maximum performance, and has an electronically controlled BL brushless motor that matches torque and RPM to the application. Makita 18V X2 means freedom from the cord, even for demanding applications like cutting sheet and dimensional lumber that traditionally called for a corded saw. This circular saw is hard to ignore with Evolution's 40-inch track included. Power and precision at the forefront of its design, the R185 CCSX ensures accuracy and reliability to get the job done faster, smoother and safer than ever before.
The Ryobi 1 Plus HP brushless 7¼ circular saw. 1 Plus HP technology delivers up to 40% faster cutting and extended runtime, with up to 325 cuts per charge. Equipped to handle a wide variety of cuts with 0 to 56-degree bevel capacity and 2 7/16" depth of cut. Designed with a die-cast upper guard for greater durability and an onboard LED work light to illuminate your cut path, while the vacuum dust adapter allows for a cleaner work area.
Presenting the 76331 circular saw by Galax Pro. Allen key allows you to quickly change to the correct blade needed for the correct task. A standard ball sight allows accessories to be attached easily and quickly, with almost no downtime. This powerful saw has a 10 amp-hour input power and runs at a maximum speed of 5800 RPM. Adjusting depth of cutting and bevel angle feature makes various jobs possible. Maximum cutting depth is 2.5 at 90 degrees and 5/1/8 at 45 degrees.